EXAM DOST success का host Sainik Navodaya में topmost.
The three consecutive whole numbers that come just before 75 lakhs 10,001. Here there are two important terms we have to understand. Consecutive. Now consecutive means, or rather consecutive whole number means the numbers which come in sequence. सीक्वेंस में आने वाले नंबर्स. और इन्होंने बोला है कि 75,10,001 के पहले आने वाले तीन नंबर्स हमें बताने हैं. वेरी सिंपल. उसके पहले आने वाले मीन्स आप उन नंबर्स, इस नंबर में से 1 माइनस करते जाइए. तो सबसे पहले हम माइनस करेंगे 75,10,001. इसमें से आप -1 कर दीजिए. यू विल गेट 75,10,000. नेक्स्ट ढूंढना है तो 75,10,000 में से 1 माइनस कर दीजिए. ये आपने इसमें से माइनस किया. 10,000 में से आप -1 करेंगे, आपको मिल जाएगा 9,999. सो दिस विल गिव अस 75 लाख 9,999. और एक और आपको निकालना है तो 75 लाख 9,999 में से आप फिर से -1 कर दीजिए. So this will give you 75 lakh 9,998. So the three numbers which come before 75 lakh 10,001 will be 75 lakh 10,000, 75 lakh 9,999 and 75 lakh 9,998. That gives us the answer as option number C. 75 lakh 9,998, 75 lakh 9,999, 75 lakh 10,000. Answer is option number C. The product of successor and predecessor of 199. Now successor is a number after and predecessor is a number before. So if you take a number 199, its successor will be, add 1 to this. 199 plus 1 is 200. So this is the successor. सक्सेसर हमें मिलता है नंबर में +1 करके एंड प्रीडेसेसर हमें मिलता है -1 करके. दैट्स 198. 198 is the predecessor. Remember, predecessor means one number before and successor means a number after. So the successor of 199 is 200. The predecessor of 199 is 198. And the question is asking their product. Means हमें 199 के सक्सेसर और प्रीडेसेसर का प्रोडक्ट मींस मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो लेट्स मल्टीप्लाई 198 एंड 200. 198 और 200 को मल्टीप्लाई करने के लिए आप 198 इंटू 2 कर दीजिए और आगे हम 0 लगा देंगे. 198 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2 इज 396. आगे आप 20 प्लेस कर दो. दिस इज द आंसर 39,600. ऑप्शन नंबर बी. Question says, what is the successor of predecessor of 1 lakh? The question is simple, slightly tricky in terms of words. Successor of predecessor of 1 lakh. So let's take the number 1 lakh. 1 lakh we know. For lakh, place 5 zeros. So after 1, take 5 zeros. This is our number. And now we have to find out the successor of 1 lakh and then the predecessor of successor. So let us first find out the successor of 1 lakh. For finding the successor, add 1. 1 lakh plus 1 will be 1 lakh 1. So this is the successor. This is the successor of 1 lakh. And now we have to find out the predecessor of successor. तो पहले हमें 1 लाख का successor निकालना है जो कि आ रहा है 1 लाख 1, और अब हमें इस successor का predecessor निकालना है. So successor 1 लाख 1 है, इसका predecessor हो जाएगा -1 कर दीजिए. 1 लाख 1 ये है हमारा successor, और इसका predecessor -1 करके हमें वापस मिल जाएगा 1 लाख. अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन फॉर्मेट. इन्होंने बोला 1 लाख का पहले सक्सेसर निकालो और सक्सेसर का प्रीडेसेसर निकालो. 1 लाख का सक्सेसर हमने निकाला 1 लाख 1, और अब इस सक्सेसर का प्रीडेसेसर मतलब -1 करना है. सो दिस इज द प्रीडेसेसर. सो सक्सेसर ऑफ प्रीडेसेसर ऑफ 1 लाख इज 1 लाख इटसेल्फ. हमारा आंसर 1 लाख ही आ रहा है. आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी. क्वेश्चन सिंपल था, लेकिन वर्ड्स में थोड़ा सा आपको कंफ्यूज करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे कि पहले उन्होंने बताया कि 1 लाख का सक्सेसर लीजिए और उसका प्रीडेसेसर लीजिए. तो 1 लाख का सक्सेसर आया 1 लाख 1 और उसका प्रीडेसेसर आया वापस 1 लाख. सो यू हियर इन दिस क्वेश्चन, तो हमारा लर्निंग ये रहेगा कि अगर जब भी इन्होंने हमें किसी नंबर का सक्सेसर और उसका प्रीडेसेसर बोला तो आंसर विल बी नंबर इटसेल्फ. Answer is option number C. Hello and welcome everybody. The session on number system. Question says the product of place values of two twos in 4,28,721. So they are asking to find the product of the two twos in this number 4,28,721. So let us first locate the twos. Here there is a 2, here there is a 2. Let us identify their places. This is ones place, this is tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000 place, and a lakh place. So the two twos they are talking is at the tens place and at the 10,000 place. So let's take their place value. Now place value we know is digit multiplied by their position. So the 2 at the tens place, let's find out its place value. It is 2 multiplied by its tens place, so multiplied by 10. So 2 multiplied by 10, the place value is 20. And let's take another 2. It is at 10,000 place, so its place value will be 2 multiplied by 10,000. It is 20,000. Now according to the question, we have to do the product. 20,000 multiplied by 20, multiply the 2 only. 2 into 2 is 4, and just add the 0 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So after 4 place 5 zeros. Remember 5 zeros means lakh, so this complete number becomes 4 lakh, or 5 zeros after 4. Let's go to the option. Answer is option number C. The greatest number which on rounding off to nearest thousands gives 5,000. And they have given 4 options. So what we are going to do is we will round off every number, all the 4 options, and we will see that when we round them off to nearest thousand, which value gives 5000, and accordingly we will choose the right answer. Let us go to the first option. It is 5001. Nearest thousand. Now remember, when we are rounding off a number to nearest thousand, we have to look at hundreds place. So our first number is 5001. Here the hundreds place, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place. Hundreds place is 0. Now if our hundreds place, which is 0 here, if it is 0, and remember 0 is less than 5, if our hundreds place digit is less than 5, then the ones place will become 0, the tens place will become 0, the hundreds place will become 0, and the thousands place will remain the same. Accordingly, let's convert. So ones place will become 0, tens place will become 0, hundreds place will become 0, and thousand place will remain the same. So thousand place will be 5. So we see that when we round off 5001 to nearest thousand, it becomes 5000. Let's go back to the second option. So we see that the first option on rounding off to nearest thousand gives 5001. Rounding off to nearest thousand gives 5000. Let's go to the option number B, 5559. Now rounding off to nearest thousand, let's look at the hundreds place. This is the ones place, the tens place, the hundreds place, and the thousands place. So the hundreds place digit is 5, and remember, if the hundreds place digit is 5, which is equal to 5, if this digit is 5, which is equal to 5, or if this digit is greater than 5, then our ones place will become 0, tens place, writing in the short form only t, will become 0, our hundreds place will become 0, and the thousands place will be increased by 1. You have to add plus 1. So ones place, the digit 9 will become 0, tens place, the digit 5 will become 0, hundreds place, the digit 5 will become 0, the thousands place digit will be increased by 1. 5 plus 1, this will become 6000. So remember, if the hundreds place digit is 5 or greater than 5, then we have to use this rule. So the option B on rounding off, 5559 on rounding off to nearest thousand gives us 6000. So this cannot be our answer, because our number when rounded off to nearest thousand should be 5000. Let's go to the option number C, 5999. Ones place is 9, tens place is 9, hundreds place is 9, and thousands place is 5. If you look at the hundreds place digit, the hundreds place digit is 9. and 9 is greater than 5. If the hundreds place digit is greater than 5, then ones place will become 0, tens place will become 0, hundreds place will become 0, thousands place add 1. So the 9 will become 0, this 9 will become 0, this 9 will become 0, and this 5 will be added by 1. 5 plus 1, it will become 6. So this number 5999 on rounding off to nearest thousand becomes 6000. So the number So the number 5999 becomes 6000. So option C, 5999 becomes 6000. Let's go to the option number D. So as the option C becomes 6000, again this will not be our answer because हमारा number round off करके 5000 होना चाहिए और ये option C 6000 हो रहा है. So this is incorrect. Option B also is incorrect. Let's go to the option D, 5499. Here the ones place digit is 9, tens place digit is 9, hundreds place digit is 4, thousand place digit is 5. Now our 100 place digit is 4. This 100 place digit is 4. If the 100 place digit is less than 5, here 4 is less than 5, then the ones place digit will become 0, tens place digit will become 0, 100 place digit will become 0, and thousand place digit will remain the same. So let's transform this number. This 9 will become 0, tens place 9 will become 0, 100 place 4 will become 0, and thousand place 5 will remain the same. So this number on rounding off becomes 5000. So we see that the number 5499 becomes 5000. Now let's go back. Here this is the option number 4, 5499 becomes 5000. Now we see that there are two numbers. One is 5001, it becomes 5000 on rounding off, and another is 5499, it also becomes 5000 on rounding off to nearest thousand. Now the question says which of the following is the greatest number. Now out of these two, I see 5499 is the greatest number. So our answer is option number D. How many times the digit 3 appears in numbers from 1 to 100? One of a classic question previously asked in the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya exam. Very likely it can be asked in the Sainik School exam as well as scholarship exam. RMS में इस क्वेश्चन के आने के चांसेस थोड़े कम रहेंगे. अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन कि अगर हम 1 से लेकर 100 तक नंबर्स लिखते हैं तो 3 कितनी बार आता है. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स द डिजिट 3 विल कम व्हेन वी राइट डाउन द नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1 टू 100. सो 3 विल कम व्हेन वी राइट फ्रॉम नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1 टू 100. पहला तो 3 आ जाएगा, 13 में 3 आ जाएगा, देन इन 23 3 विल कम, 33 3 will come, 43 3 will come, 53 3 will come, 63 3 will come, 73 3 will come, 83 3 will come, 93 3 will come. And then we have a series of 3 also which starts from 30. 30 में 3 आ गया, 31 3 will come, 32 3 will come, 33 3 will come. Now be mindful कि 33 यहाँ भी आ गया है और पहले भी हमने 33 लिया है, तो दोनों को आप दो बार काउंट ना करें, किसी एक को काउंट करें. इस 33 को हम कट कर देते हैं क्योंकि हमने यहाँ 33 ले लिया है. वी हैव टेकन 33 here, so let's cancel this 33 from here. Don't count this. After 33 comes 34, 35, 36, 37, 38 and 39. So this is all the 3. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. With this, remember, the digit 3 appears 20 times when we write down the numbers from 1 to 100. Similarly, the digit 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, all these digits will appear 20 times. तो अभी यहाँ पर इन्होंने 3 का पूछा है, लेकिन अगर क्वेश्चन में 4 आ जाए या 2 आ जाए या 5 आ जाए, आपको याद रखना है ये डिजिट्स 20 टाइम्स अपीयर होंगे. आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, 20. Moving further, that how many times 1 and 0 will appear? Let's count. So how many times 1 will appear? 1 will appear in 1, 10, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91 and 100. And remember, there is a series of 10 also, which starts with 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now 10 we have already taken here, and 11 also we have taken here. Here also we have taken 10 and 11. तो एक आप कट कर दीजिए, हम ये वाला 10 कट कर देते हैं और ये 11 कट कर देते हैं. Let's now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. So 1 appears 21 times. Now let's also count how many times 0 will appear. It will appear in 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So let's count that how many times 0 appears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So 0 appears 11 times, 1 appears 21 times. How many numbers are there containing 2 digits? Basically the question says कि 2 digits के कितने numbers होते हैं. Now this question is typically for 2 digits, but in the exam they can ask you that how many 3 digits numbers are there, how many 4 digit numbers are there, how many 5 digit numbers are there. So solving such question, the simple approach, rather the formula approach is, you take the greatest 2 digit number, you take the smallest 2 digit number, you subtract these two, and after you subtract these two, add 1. Greatest 2 digit number is 99 minus smallest 2 digit number is 10. After subtraction, we'll add 1. 99 minus 10 is 89. Plus 1 is 90. So there are 90 two-digit numbers. Now explaining the basic concept hidden behind this question. आपके मन में ये डाउट आ रहा होगा कि 99 और 10 को माइनस करने के बाद ये +1 क्यों किया. फॉर दिस आई वुड लाइक टू एक्सप्लेन. अगर लेट अस break down this question to a lower form, let us understand this question in the term of one digit number. अगर इस क्वेश्चन को हम चेंज कर दें कि how many one digit numbers are there, वहां पर हमें ये फॉर्मूला समझ में आएगा. वन डिजिट के नंबर हमारे पास हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 एंड 9. अब वन डिजिट के नंबर थे तो वी काउंटेड देम इजीली, बट व्हाट इफ इट इज अ टू डिजिट और थ्री डिजिट नंबर. सो फॉर दिस वी डेवलप अ फॉर्मूला. द फॉर्मूला इज ग्रेटेस्ट वन डिजिट नंबर माइनस स्मॉलेस्ट वन डिजिट नंबर और इसमें हमें प्लस कर देना है 1. अब हमें +1 क्यों करना है आप देखिएगा जब हम इसे सॉल्व करेंगे. ग्रेटेस्ट वन डिजिट नंबर 9 है माइनस स्मॉलेस्ट वन डिजिट नंबर 1 है. 9 माइनस 1 8 आता है. और अगर आप यहां पर काउंट करो एक्चुअल में तो यहां पर ये तो 9 नंबर्स हैं. 7 8 9 ये 9 नंबर्स हैं, लेकिन इनको माइनस करके हमें 8 आ रहा है. इसीलिए हमने फॉर्मूले में क्या करना है, एंड में +1 कर देना है. तो हमें मिलेंगे 9 वन डिजिट के नंबर्स. एंड द सेम फॉर्मूला इज रेप्लिकेटेड हियर. अगर टू डिजिट पूछा तो ग्रेटेस्ट टू डिजिट ले लीजिए माइनस स्मॉलेस्ट टू डिजिट कर दीजिए और उसमें एंड में +1 कर दीजिए. इट विल गिव यू 90 टू डिजिट के नंबर्स है हमारे पास. अगर यही क्वेश्चन, अब ये क्वेश्चन कॉमन रहेगा, अगर इन्होंने 3 डिजिट के नंबर्स पूछे कितने हैं, फॉर्मूला सेम रहेगा, आंसर भी 9 के बाद ये 2 डिजिट के 90 है तो 3 डिजिट के 900 कर दो. 4 डिजिट पूछा, आंसर 9000 कर दीजिए, आंसर विल बी 9000. 5 डिजिट पूछा, आंसर 90000 कर दीजिए, सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. इस तरह 6 डिजिट पूछा 9 लाख हो जाएगा, 7 डिजिट पूछा 90 लाख हो जाएगा. आंसर आराम से याद कर लीजिए. सैनिक स्कूल के एग्जाम में 2024 में ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है, पर 3 डिजिट के लिए पूछा गया था. आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए. How many times does the digit 1 appear in the numbers from 1 to 100? 1 will appear in 1, 10, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91 and 100. Remember there is a series of 1 also which is start with 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Remember हमने 10 को यहाँ भी काउंट किया है और यहाँ भी काउंट किया है, so just cancel this from here. 11 also we have counted here and here 2 places, तो एक जगह से हम cancel कर देते हैं. Now let us count how many ones. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 and 21. So the digit 1 appears 21 times. Answer is option number D. Question says the difference between the place value of 7 in the numeral 65 lakhs 79,271. So the number is 65 lakhs 79,271. 271. We have to find out the difference. Difference means हमें माइनस करना है. क्या माइनस करना है? Place value of 7. So there are two 7. One is here and another 7 is here. Let's first find out their places. This is ones place, tens place, 100 place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place, and 10 lakh place. Let's find out the place value. Now place value we know is the digit multiplied by its position or place. So the first 7, which is at tens place, its place value will be 7 tenths, which is 7 multiplied by 10, which is 70. And the place value of the second 7, which is at 10,000 place, that's 7 multiplied by 10,000, which is 70,000. Now let's take their difference. 70,000 minus 70. So 0 minus 0, this will be 0. 0 minus 7 we cannot do, so borrow 1 from here. This 0 will become 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. And all these 0 will become 9. This will also become 9. And this 7 will be subtracted by 1. So this is 9. This is also 9. 7 minus 1, this is 6. Answer is 69,930. Option number A. Sum of the greatest 8-digit number and the smallest 9-digit number. Now the moment it is a 8-digit number, you understand that this number will go in crores. And when they say the greatest any digit number will start with 9. Since it is a 8-digit number, you write 9 8 times. This number is 9 crore 99 lakhs 99,999. And smallest 9-digit number. Smallest 9-digit number. Now the moment the question says 9-digit number, it will go in 10 crores. Any smallest any digit number, it will start with 1. And after 1, since we have to make a 9-digit number, 1 is already taken as a digit, so remaining zeros you place, so place 8 zeros. This number is 10 crores because after 10 there are 7 zeros. Remember, 7 zeros means crore. So the smallest 9-digit number is 10 crore. And the greatest 8-digit number is 9 crore 99 lakhs 99,999. The question is asking the sum. Let's add these two numbers. This will be 9 9 9 9 9 and 9, and at the end there is 1, so it will become 19 crores 99 lakhs 99,999. Answer is option number B. Successor of 301,999. This number is written in the international number system. So for finding the successor, we will add 1 to this number. 301,999. Adding 1 to this 9 plus 1, this is 10. Write down 0, carry 1. 1 plus 9 is again 10. Write down 0, carry 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. Write down 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 0. And this is 3. According to the international number system, place comma after the 3 digits. Here, 302,000. That is option number B. Going through the concept of successor, successor is the number after. And for getting the successor, we add 1 to the given number. Answer is option B. Numeral for 500, 3,08,702. As you can see that in this they have mentioned million. So it means that we have to write the number in the international number system. Before writing the number, let's write down the places of international number system. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, 100,000s place, million place, 10 million place, and 100 million place. Now they say that it is 503 million. So in the million period we have to write 503. Then comes the thousand period. Now in the thousand period they say that only 8,000. So in the 100,000 place write down 0. In the 10,000 place write down 0. And in the 1,000 place write down 8. And finally 702. So that's the ones period. In the ones period let's write 702. Now the question doesn't say, but we will place comma after every period. So after ones period we will place a comma. So between 7 and 8 place a comma. And after 1,000 period place a comma. So between 0 and 3 we will place a comma. This gives the answer as option number C. Which digit in the number 5,68,731 has a place value of thousands? Let us find out the place value of every digit. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000 place, and lakh place. So the question says which digit has a place value of 1000. We can see that at the thousands place the digit is 8. Its place value will be 8 multiplied by 1000, which is 8,000. Answer is option number A. Let's discuss the place value of the digits. The place value of 1 is 1 once. So that's 1 multiplied by 1, which is 1. The place value of 3 is 3 tenths. That's 3 multiplied by 10, 30. The place value of 7 is at hundreds place. So it is 700. The place value of 8 we have done. It's 8,000. The place value of 6, it is at 10,000 place. So multiply by 10,000. It will become 60,000. And finally the place value of 5 is 5 into 1 lakh. That will become 5 lakh. Answer is option A. Which of the following numbers in Roman numerals is correct? The first option is C, L, D, L. So let's find out the value of C, L, D, L. The value of C is 100. L is 50, D is 500, L is 50. So the first term is 100 and the second is 50. So after a greater symbol comes a smaller symbol. So we will add these two. But after 50 comes 500. So if after a smaller symbol 50 comes a bigger symbol 500, means we have to subtract. But remember that we cannot subtract the symbol 5, 50 and 500. So since we cannot subtract the symbol 50, this Roman number will not be correct. This is a incorrect Roman number, or we can say that this is not meaningful. So this will not give us any Roman numeral. So this is not a correct Roman symbol because 50 cannot be subtracted. So the first Roman numeral CLDL is not correct. Let's move on to the second, VDC. V is 5, D is 500 and C is 100. Now after a smaller symbol 5 comes a greater symbol 500. So in this case we subtract, but remember we cannot subtract 5 with any Roman numeral. Since 5 cannot be subtracted, so this is also incorrect Roman numeral. So this is also not correct. So moving back, option number B is not correct. Let's move on to option C, LDC. Now L is 50, D is 500, C is 100. Now again we can see that after 50 comes 500. So after a smaller symbol 50 comes a bigger symbol 500. So we have to subtract. But 50 can never be subtracted. And since 50 cannot be subtracted, again this is not a correct Roman numeral. So option number C is also not correct. Let's move on to option D, CDLX. C is 100, D is 500, L is 50, X is 10. Now after 100 comes 500. So now we will subtract, and we can subtract 100 from 500. So this will become 500 minus 100, 400. After 500 comes a smaller symbol 50. So this will be added. And after 50 comes a smaller symbol 10. So this will also be added. 400 plus 50 is 450 plus 10 is 460. So this is the correct Roman numeral. So this is the correct Roman numeral. Option number D, its value is 460. Answer is option number D.